What you see, what I see.
Oh, I'm a piece of garbage.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. My name is V. I love a lot of vegan things, but mainly food. So if you haven't watched the video before this where I made crispy sticky cauliflower, please go ahead and do that first because this is the continuation, the part 2 of the Rachel Amma special. Today I am going to be trying out her orange and almond vegan loaf cake. I still don't have a loaf baking tin. I don't know what to tell you, I just still haven't bought one. So I am going to be...
Cut.
I'm sorry. I'm just a little nervous.
Yeah, well, don't be.
So I am going to be using my cupcake tray. Let's get quick. Let's get baking. Good English.
Don't worry about it, it usually takes me 3 takes too. All right, 8.
I really don't think I need to say much more than that. Let's get baking. Baking. Okay, let's actually get baking now. Oh man, what is that about?
And
They look a bit concave, so...
I'm extremely disappointed in you.
They look a bit in need of help.
It's a mental breakdown.
I don't know why they're caving in. Like, I don't know what I've done wrong. Right, do you know what? Like Aaliyah said, you can mess it up and try again, ooh.
oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
So I'm just going to give it another go, but this time I'm actually going to use my cake tin and see if that makes a difference. Let's get baking again.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
The same thing happened again.
I don't understand.
It's deflated.
Why are you looking up?
I need to cry, but my foundation was $48.
I think if there's one thing that we've learned from this, baking is not my strong suit. I don't know why it's dipping in.
It's a mental breakdown.
I don't know what I've done.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you.
Please help me out in the comment section below. I tried to do it slowly this time. I tried to be a bit more gentle. I thought maybe I'd taken all the air out of it. Maybe I didn't put too much baking powder. I just don't know. The smell though, it smells good. You can smell the orange. There's a little bit of a hint of almond. Like my whole house is just smelling beautiful. I've tried it 2 ways now. Clearly the struggle is real. So I'm just gonna put some icing sugar on it and let's get on to the taste test because I can't do another one of these.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I'm so defeated. I tried to do the icing. It was just coming lumpy.
I've been watching.
I think about how much I hate myself, and sometimes...
I don't know what's going on today. Let's just get to the taste test. Time for the taste test. It feels like almost too soft. That's why when I redid it in the cake tin, I tried to make sure to put a little bit more flour, but clearly it wasn't enough. that tastes good, you know. Very soft. I feel like Mary Berry. Very soft, delicate cake. Taste test number 2. Again, the flavor is there. Final thoughts. We can't talk about this cake without talking about how it looks.
I'm not gagging.
It looks a bit sad, and that's me being nice to myself. Appearance, we'll give it 2 out of 10.
Are you sure about that?
Taste, texture, and flavor, 10 out of 10. I don't know what this is. The orange came through so much. I don't know if maybe I didn't mix the batter of the cake well enough, or maybe I mixed it too much, or maybe I put too little flour. I just don't know where it went wrong. I'm feeling 2 ways about this cake, because on one hand, it tastes amazing, but on the other hand, why didn't it rise like the picture? The cake that she made is like what you order online, and then the cake that I made is like what you get in real life. I don't know where I went wrong, and I'm laughing because if I don't laugh, I'm gonna start crying.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I think I'm ready to give up on baking in general and just admit that that is not my strength.
Now, sink into the floor.
That is not where I thrive. Baking is not where I thrive. That should be the name of this channel. Watch me fail at baking. I think if you were going to try and bake this cake, I think maybe it would be the best idea to put it in a loaf baking tin. Maybe it just doesn't work in any other form of tin. If you're someone who bakes often and you're watching this video, can you please let me know what I've done wrong or where I've gone wrong? I hope you guys enjoyed this attempt at baking. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Remember to be kind to one another. You never know what someone's going through. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!